my God.
Hi guys!
Welcome to my channel. Glamour hair today. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sexy Mom Shell. Hopefully sexy nga talaga. So, yeah! Okay. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make a DIY hair coloring tutorial. Good luck. Guys, I swear, first time ko pong gagawin.
Oh no!
Yes, first time. Okay, so I went to mall and purchased this wood. Hanap talaga ako, which is made from fruits or any made from natural or organic product na i-apply ko sa hair ko. Kasi nga, worried din ako syempre. Ayoko na masyado mag-chemicals. So, this is what I found. Ayan. Sorry God for my notification. Ang dami nagme-message. Sabi nila, kailan daw ako gagawa ng next video vlog. It is Beauty Labo. I don't know kung tama yung pag-pronounce ko, Beauty Labo. Labo, no? So, extracted ng fruits. Sarap. Yan, yung shade na napili ko is, okay, olive green siya. Check natin kung ano yung magiging result niya ng before and after. This is my before hair. So, ganyan yung color ng hair ko. From, ito yung light. Diba? Kulay ako. This one. Ayan, dark area siya. Na natin. Unbox na natin siya. Ito. Ganito pala siya sa loob. So, ayan siya. Guys, para siyang shaker. Meron kasi akong shaker na ganito eh. Ito yung manual. Paano mo siya gagamitin? Susundan mo lang siya. Yan! May manual naman siya. Okay natin. How to get the perfect whip foam. So, it made of a foam color. So, made of foam para hindi ka na mahirapan. Kasi, diba, usually, iba tube, iba, I don't know, make shampoo style o cream style. Mga ganun. Ito, meron siyang coloran. Ito yung coloran. Yan. Olive green siya. So, para may idea kayo. And developer, ito din yung nasa loob niya. Developer, ayan. Ito siya. So, you do your hair coloring. Ito na yung treatment. So, may kasama na siyang treatment. Nice! Before anything else, kailangan mag-change ka ng damit. Kasi naka-white ako. Kailangan mag-wear ka ng any dark color na shirts. Coloran, olive green na. Olive green again. Flip hairs. Excited. Actually guys, sobrang excited ako gawin to. Wala lang, kasi ginagastos ko sa salon. Ang laki. Malaki ang gagastos mo sa salon or service ka. At least try mo na sarili mo. Pag hindi mo na-achieve, edi go to salon. Okay. Tapang guys. Okay, ito muna. Yan. Okay, kita nyo. So, ayan siya guys.
Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it.
Saka sa mga amoy. Sa chemicals. And firmly tighten the cup and shake the mixing shaker 30 times strongly with both hands. Grabe to po. Okay. Close na natin. And then shake.
I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill.
And count 30 times strongly. Okay? Good. Okay. Pag nag-grocery ka, ito na rin gamitin mo. Reusable. Yes, joke lang yun ah. Baka gamitin nyo talaga ulit. Huwag naman. Tapon nyo na after. Nag-i-stain yung color dito. Kaya ito may gloves para meron pa kasi sa baba. May nakita akong color. Parang hindi siya mag-buo. Super shake na lang. Okay, so let's open it slowly. Okay, let's have to open it slowly. And let's check. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh no!
Kasi buti na lang may dito yung strap. Sumobra. Sumobra siguro ako sa 30, diba? Just, na-mix na siya yung kalalabasan pag di ka nakikinig sa instruction. Okay, ito. Kuha ka na lang. Ayan, pwede masayang. Parang sarap kainin. Apang, guys. Okay. Let's start. Dito, sa side na to, guys. Okay, guys. Pa tayo, ice cream. Pag manipis yung hair mo, madami matitira. Yan. Okay, guys. Tanggalin na natin. Next part. Ayan. Dinamdal ko na. Next part na po. Mamaya kulayan ko din si nanay.
Anong kulay ka yan?
It's, green.
Ni?
Hindi. Green. Olive green. Like that. Olive green, okay. At least, you know what, guys? It is just 499 pesos sa Watson. Madali nyo siyang mahanap. Hanapin nyo lang yung Beauty Labo na brand. Then, yeah. Magagawa nyo na mag-hair color. Maganda dito kasi ikaw mismo. Ganyan lang siya. Cream lang siya. Foamy lang siya. And then, napakadaling gamitin.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different.
So, ayan. Guys, as you can see, yun na yung color niya. Yun na siya, yung color niya. Para na ako sa Medusa. Kulayan yung... Yeah! Babadin natin siya after 30 minutes. Applying with a towel, you can now put a little portion or a small amount of this color treatment that is included to the box, inside the box. So, kasama na siya. Okay naman siya, but the problem is, nakukuntian ako. So, what I did, I add another one hair treatment, which is the Luxie Organic. So, ito siya. White yung cream. So, let's stop.
Run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna?
Nawala na yung brassy color niya. Nag-tone down na siya. So far, hindi naman siya super olive green. Ayan, ang ingay po. Hindi siya super olive green. But the good thing of this is, ayan, mas makikita siya sa araw. Kita-kita siya sa araw, guys. So, ayan yung ayan yung outcome ng ginawa ko. Kahapon lang to. So, sa sa roots, hindi siya uneven color kasi nga dark to and then ito light. Ito yung color niya sa dulo. Diba? Guys, my name is Cole Kyrie. Diba? Okay, yun na yun? You're not going to follow the instructions. magpa-flash out talaga yung whipped cream, yung mixture niya. So, better to follow correctly the instruction, the procedure of how to use it. So, meron naman akong detail pa dito. Just check it out. And where to buy the product, you can anywhere in the Watson here in Manila, here in the Philippines, meron silang available. So, I didn't know the other color. Just try to check it out. Pero I swear to you, the product is okay. It's just like 499 pesos. And it's worth it. Look what happened to my hair. For natural hair, I think mas mabilis yung achievement ng color sa'yo. Pero kapag may color na siya at hindi pantay and even din. Pero like ombre style, okay din. Pag tandaan nyo, pag light yung color, mabilis kumapit. Pag dark, nakulayan na siya na dark yung hair mo, meron ka ng hair color na dark, medyo mahirap ma-achieve yung gusto mo. So like, magla-lighten lang siya ng konti. Dun sa shades na gusto mo. Okay, so para may idea kayo. Okay, cutting my hair at home. Ayan siya. Okay, let me know what would you like to see on my next video so I can film it for you. Alright? I'm done with my hair and hope you like it. Guys, so all of the viewers, especially to the newbie here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe for you to be updated for some of my videos and i-upload ko sooner. So if you have a question regarding on my hair color tutorial, just type it down there below and look at my baby boy.
But you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell.
Don't forget to please don't forget to like and
Subscribe.
like and
Subscribe. Awesome.
Kiss of viewers. I love you everyone. Oh yeah, I love you everyone.